Alright, this is my first impression of the Roland Sound Expansion Dance M-DC1. And this is patch number 1. I'm using the Yamaha CS1X as a MIDI keyboard. And this is patch number 1. And it's fucking badass. I love this. Hell yeah. What is this module, dude? It's so fucking weird. This is patch number 2. Wow, that's a little bit loud. Should turn it down a little bit. Alright, see if I can change the... There we are. Alright. Oh yeah! That's fucking sick. What is this? Why? Why? It's just a module with 6 sounds, bruh. Why is this one so much lower, though? That's so fucking weird. Does this sample? Wait, it has inputs, but does it sample? It sounds like just sampled stuff. Weird. Patch number 6. That just sounds way too sick, bruh. Hell yeah. I could fucking totally shred on this. It sounds so good. Patch number 6, dude. Hell yeah. What up, cat? That's crazy, dude. That sounds like fucking old school hip hop. I love this. Why though? What the fuck, bro? Why? Why? Dude, that's so fucking cool. Holy shit. Sorry, this is gonna be the whole video. This is just me reacting to patches, but dude, fucking hell, this is so cool. What? So they're velocity sensitive, huh? So that makes sense. It's just the coolest drum beats in the world packed into a like module. That just sounds so funny. It's like meme music. Why? Wait, what? That's super familiar. Wait. Really? What is this module, dude? Makes no sense. Huh. Like, I haven't even Googled this. I don't even know what this is, but it's incredible. It's like... It's just filled with dope sounds. But I have no idea where or what or who. Or how? It has some like inputs on the back, doesn't it? Wait, let me look. It has inputs. Why does it have inputs? This is probably going to be fun for someone who's a veteran using this. Just watching me be a fucking idiot. Like, what, inputs? What is this? What kind of module, bruh? Holy crap. I'm gonna totally make a fucking stoner rock album, and this is gonna be like the foundation of every beat. So cool. So strange, though. So fucking strange. Holy fuck. Yo. so crazy. You can play like 2 beats at once and it sounds great. Whoa. Dude. This goes on for like 200 patches, so that's really cool. But what even is this? Part 1? Part 2? You can have different, like, is it multi-timbral maybe? Mute parts? Monitor? What's that mean? Monitor? It's funny. God damn, dude. This is enter, that's exit, and that's value. And you can do edits, but part 1, part 2, master, oh god, reverb, chorus, MIDI RX, back select, sys. Why would it need sys? Volume and hold. What even is hold? Is it like gonna hold the... It doesn't though. Please, turn on. No. Alright. I don't understand this at all. Tune device ID. Wait, what? Device ID is 2. Does it go up to 17? Is this like sys stuff? Or... What's this? Par? Yeah, we're on the sys tab. Device ID. Yeah. No. It doesn't go. It goes further. That's weird. I gotta read the manual on this, but it's really cool looking. And from what I've seen so far, I really like it. Even though it's mostly like dance drums, I think. Wait, yeah, I'm not swapping patch because I'm editing the wrong part. Yeah, there we are. So, let's say I jump like 40. Still drums. Can it do like, wait, maybe I can do it with thingy on this. I can't. Oh, that's a little bit weird. It did receive MIDI earlier. Oh, this one doesn't do it probably. Did I turn off program change? I don't know, but okay, what the fuck? All right, can we go backwards? No, we can't. Sorry. It's probably a terrible video, but I don't know. Sort of funny, I guess. Just me doing this. All right, let's see. It has like actual sounds too, huh? I expect this to be like an underdog, where I'm like, oh, it's so weird and like cheesy, but when I use it, I'm probably gonna like this one the most, because it really has some cool sounds. It's a little bit loud, but still. That sounds nice. Oh. Does these like do anything? Well, that changes patch. Now it works. That's a little bit weird. Well, this swaps patch for some reason. Not sure why or how, but it does, and it doesn't really. It like swaps the patch, but it doesn't swap the patch here. There's probably some part thing I'm not like aware of. that's a fucking great sound. Holy shit. Wait. Oh my god. Holy crap, that's so cool. Why does these sound so, like, these sounds are so, like, familiar? It makes no sense. Like, is this like a famous synth, or is it, has it sampled, like, famous stuff? That's really nice. Whoa. This is so fucking cool. I just had a dream right now about, I don't know, like a place. That's so fucking cool. This just transports you away when you hear it. At least to me. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I love that. Organ? Yeah, we've heard enough organ, bruh. Nah, I'm not even doing the organs, bro. I'm sorry. Not that I hate organs, but dude, every fucking synth has organs. And every time I try to make a synth, it sounds like an organ. So, sort of tired of organ sounds. Let's just say it like that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna make so much fucking cool shit with this. Holy crap, this is gonna like level up my synth sounds because it sounds so vintage and cool. It has like, that's portamento, but it doesn't say anything about portamento on here. So there's probably more like, what do I even say right here? There's probably more parameters. They're like hidden somehow, for some reason. Because is it just like this one patch they've programmed portamento into it, but the other ones doesn't? I'm not sure if this is programmable. That's what I'm trying to say. It looks really nice though. I like this. This is like a total sleeper, bro. Oh, that's awesome. But I gotta cut this video off soon because, like, you want to fucking have a 15-minute video of me just unknowingly reviewing the patches. I'll probably review the patches later, but holy shit. I'm sorry, I've said that like 10 times, but dude. That's really cool. really cool. You can make really cool music with stuff like that. It's like trance sounds, maybe. I'm such a noob with like genres. Is that what you call it? Like, I can barely tell metal apart at all. So, and I listen to a lot of like metal music, I guess. I don't really. I listen to rock music, but I end up listening to a lot of metal music. And to me, it's just all metal. Except heavy metal. Because I really like heavy metal, I guess. But let's talk about synth instead. So we're on patch 82, and it sounds quirky as shit. I like it. This is like trance stuff. I'm not a... Even though I have like a fucking trance rig right here, I'm not huge on trance, but... Dude, watch me use these to make rock music, dude. Watch me. I won't have an issue. I hope. I think it'll be fine. This one's cool. I couldn't figure out how to work this one at all. It seems like really archaic menu divey. Or just, I'm stupid. And I am stupid, so might be that. Alright, but I'm gonna end this video because it's like soon gonna be half an hour of me just fucking talking about. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I gotta figure this out. Gotta figure that out. Probably make a video on this too, because these fucking videos are so fun to make. Sorry to swear in your face. But, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.